ANENG AN8201. It is a CATII 600 watt multimeter. It uses 1 kW CATII 10 test pan. Its long is 65 cm. Its size is 115 times 65 times 32 mm. It uses 9 watt 6F22 battery one piece. Its weight is 150 grams. And DC watt, it is 0.1 mW to 600 watt. AC watt 100 mW to 600 watt. DC current is 0.1 microamp to 10 amp. And resistor is 0.1 ohm to 2 megaohm. It have continuity test, die test, transistor test, FE, and have a backlight. Now we see the meter. Come with a user menu, a meter, and a parser. And a test pan. It uses 4 mm plug. And come with 2 cap. Okay, let's see the meter now. It have this one is a backlight. This is a whole switch. AC watt, DC watt, current, XFE for the transistor testing, die test, and the test function. Okay, let's see the meter. User menu. Okay, now see the DC voltage first. We compare to the foot. Now 10 amp. It's so 10 amp. 7.5. It shows 7.5V. 5V, it shows 5.02. 2.5V, it shows 2.51. It's okay, the DC voltage accuracy. Okay, let's see the AC voltage. This meter 220. Let's compare the foot. Foot is a 220 near 221. It also same about the foot. Okay. Let's try another function. And now see the milliamp function first. Milliamp function can in this way. Let's see the milliamp. Now 20 milliamp. It's so 20. It's so accuracy of this one. And see the high current, 10 amp. Now 10 amp, but put the wet one to the 10 amp position. Okay, let's see the high current. And this supply is only 5 amp. It's so 4.98, and the supply is 4.996. It's okay. Okay, let's see another function. Now see the die test function. We test the die. It's so 482. It's also okay of this one. And now see the B sound. It makes about 72. Try again. 72. And see the latching. If so far they have a B, but not very well, and have a reading. One, two, one. It is far, but not very far of this one. Okay, let's see the meter light up LED. Red, okay. Yellow, okay. Green, okay. Blue, white. It also light up the LED. And the B sound check. 25. 15. 15. 14. About 14 also okay for the B sound. And let's see the resistor ring. And this meter, the test tip reading is 0.5 ohm about. Let's test the 1 ohm. It show 1.5, 10 ohm. It show 10.5. Now it's a 10K. We select the measurement first. Sorry. ISO 10. 20K. ISO 20. 100. ISO 100. 0.5. ISO 0.5. And this makes us a 2 mat. Let's see the 2 mat. It's a 1997 mat. It over. No any reading. And let's try the whole function of this one. We try 100K. .101. It hold. This bit is for the whole reading. $100K whole, and they have a backlight. The backlight is very well of this one. Okay. Now see the last function of the FE. In this, they have a transistor. We see the reading. 399 is same as the reading of another one. It's okay. The XFE can be the pace of this one. Okay, this meter full function is a display. And now we open the meter now. And this one have a hanger of this one. It also very well. Okay, let's open the meter. And inside have no any shielding. Come with a 6F22 9-watt battery. Let's see the meter. Come with a fuse and a PTC and a main IC and a buzzer. Okay, let's try to open the meter now. It It comes with 2 screws. Hold on the B. And also they have a holding cap in this one. Let's try to open the meter now. Okay, full meter open now. There is a LCD skin. That is the backlight of the LCD skin. That is the back side. A normal switch. And no any component in the another side. Only a testing part in this one. Okay. Thanks for watching.